So I have here my walking foot, and this is for my Singer sewing machine, and my regular foot. I've taken my regular foot off, and the difference between the two of these is this walking foot has an arm on it which goes up and down as the needle goes up and down. So this is attached to the needle bar. If I bring it down here, you'll see the needle bar here, and then it has these teeth at the top. So it's feed dogs at the top which work with the feed dogs at the bottom, and they feed through your fabric as this goes up and down. So I'm going to attach that now. Just bring up my needle. You can take out your needle while you're doing this in case if you're afraid to stab yourself. It's probably the best thing to do would be to take out your needle. Pop that bar onto the top. Move it down a little bit. And then we get our small screwdriver. So I have the one that came with the machine, and we just tighten that on. And what I'm going to do is, I've already actually done a few of these. I'm just going to do these concentric circles all the way around my writing. So you lift up your presser foot. I might actually I'm going to do one on the outside, and I'm using the edge of my foot as my guideline. You want your stitch length to be quite long, so I'm doing it to 4.5. Between 4 and 4.5 usually works fine. And then I'm just going to work, put my presser foot down, would help. Presser foot down and just go slowly around. If I get to a point where the curve is quite steep, I can just lift up the foot with the needle down and continue sewing. And the idea of this foot is it feeds the 3 layers at the same rate.